Hi guys, welcome to Merrill's Nature's Galleria. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to propagate Indian borage in water. We had once propagated Indian borage in potting mix. I'll leave the links to those videos in the description box. This is the same plant that's growing nice long runners. It's branching out at all the nodes. Look at the healthy big leathery leaves. Today I'll be propagating it in water. Snip a cutting with at least 3 to 4 sets of leaves to work with. Make sure to snip below the node to encourage rooting. Take a clean pair of scissors and snip it. Now get rid of the bottom set of leaves like so. Let's take one more cutting and repeat the same process. We have our 2 cuttings ready to work. I have taken tap water to immerse cuttings. Take the first cutting. Make sure this node is immersed in water to boost rooting. Take the second cutting and immerse the node in water. I will be placing this on a windowsill so it receives indirect sunlight. Keep this away from direct sunlight. Remember to change water every 3rd day. Six days later, leaves on the first cutting have grown bigger. It has also developed healthy white roots. Cutting 2 has comparatively faster leaf growth. Check out the roots on this cutting. Both cuttings are ready to be planted in soil. Let's get started. For the potting mix, I have taken a composition of 90% vermicompost with 10% of vermiculite and perlite. It's a very well draining and airy potting mix. Check out the roots on the first cutting. Gently stick the cutting in the potting mix without disturbing the roots. Second cutting root growth is very impressive. Secure the cutting in the potting mix. Moisten the potting mix but don't overwater. It's been 2 weeks. Let's take a look at the progress of our cuttings. The leaf growth on both cuttings is very evident. Second cutting is displaying signs of branching. The cuttings are about 3 inches tall. Let's look at the root development. Carefully uprooting the first cutting. Look at the length of the roots. Let's check the second cutting. Both cuttings have developed long, healthy roots. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and propagate some Indian borage. Follow me on my other social media platforms. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.